What's up everyone, it's Cameron here from Money Rebel with another investing video. I appreciate I haven't posted for a while, and part of that's because I've just been wrestling with the actual direction of this channel, which way I want it to go. I'm still working through that, but in the meantime I thought I'd just give you an update on some of the stuff that I've been thinking about from an investing perspective. So the thing I've been looking at a lot lately is how to better invest in the blockchain and crypto space. I'd made some investments in this area a few years ago. Of course, I've done really well in the current bull market, but that of course could change, as we know, with this particular asset class. However, I am really bullish on the whole blockchain space long term. I think as a sector that will outperform all others in the medium term. So it's where I'm really focusing a lot of my investigation and investing efforts at the moment. One thing I'm really looking at is how to measure network effects, because I have a thesis that, as other people do, that basically the real winners in the blockchain crypto eco space will be the ones that gain the biggest network effect. And by that I'm mainly referencing Metcalfes Law, which says that the number of, or the value of a total network is proportional to the number of users squared. So as adoption increases, you get this kind of exponential effect going on. And we're already seeing that with various different cryptocurrencies. And we've seen it in past industries before. Facebook, Airbnb, Snapchat, all of those social media driven companies are all driven off the whole idea of Metcalfes Law and network effects. So now it comes to the question of how do I work out what the network effects are? How do I work out when they're increasing? How do I kind of look ahead in time to see or make an assessment of which ones will grab the biggest share of this kind of network effect? And I'm just working through different ways and strategies of how I can do that. I mean, some of the obvious ones are, looking at the number of wallets that are open with a particular currency, or the number of tweets that exist on a particular currency, maybe the search volume on Google, looking at the development space. Where are the developers right now? For example, we know there's a lot of developers in the Ethereum space, so that's a really strong sort of foreleading signal or early signal that the network effects of this is likely to grow, because the more developers, the more applications you'll have, and that should lead to greater adoption with the general public. So those are the things that I'm trying to work out. What I want to do is find really good data and information sources for network effects in the crypto space. I'll be looking to that over the coming weeks. If you want to learn what I find and also participate with me in investigating in these particular areas, please follow my channel. Nothing of what I say is ever going to be a recommendation for you personally to buy or sell a particular currency. This is purely for information purposes, but if you're interested in learning with me, then please click subscribe and leave a comment below in the notes. Also, if you know a really good source of information that might measure things like search volume or wallets, or even I don't even know where to get data on basically the number of developers in a particular eco space or cryptocurrency eco space, then that would be really useful as well. So you're more than welcome to leave me some links or tips on where I can get this kind of information. Anyway, I look forward to updating you soon on how that's going and learning and sharing my insights with you all. All right, cheers, bye.